Kids' toothbrushes featuring Ryan's World to encourage good oral care habits early on. Extra soft bristles for effective and gentle cleaning. Unique soft tongue cleaner on each kid's toothbrush to clean beyond teeth. Thumb grip and rounded handle for a comfortable grip. Suction cup for easy and fun upright storage. Kid-friendly colors that make teeth brushing fun. A classic Colgate clean you can count on. Small toothbrush head to help children get every corner of the mouth. Colgate's Ryan's World Extra Soft Kids Toothbrush is a fun way to encourage good oral care habits early on. These manual kids' toothbrushes are specially designed for children with both baby-adult teeth. It features a suction cup that acts as a kid's toothbrush holder for easy and fun upright storage, a thumb grip and rounded handle for a comfortable grip, and the unique soft tongue cleaner on the back of the toothbrush head to clean beyond teeth. Top reviews from the United States. Just as expected. Kids were very excited. Works great, my kids love them.